So namaskar all of you. So Odisha Civil Service 2023 mains test series optional geography ro test number 9 तार questions ओडा discuss करिबा. So test number 9 आपनकर syllabus हमरो रहउची settlement geography और regional planning. Okay. Next test आपनकर last test रहउची last sectional test जो थरे हमरो February 8 रे हबो सेटा political aspects of contemporary issues और तापरे full syllabus test रा start हे जबो. So March 2 भितरे हमें complete एटा कर देथिबा so that परे भी जो माने join करछंती आपन को enough time मिलबो ताको revise करिया पे. Okay, so let us go to the questions now. Section A, एथरे any 10 questions you have to answer. 12 question दिया हिची, each question 15 marks out 250 words भितर आपन को आंसर करियार अछि. How do environmental factors such as topography and climate influence the nucleated versus dispersed pattern of rural settlements in different regions? How does the concept of urban hierarchy explain the distribution of services and economic activities across different size settlements? Question 3. How does Christaller's central place theory account for the spatial arrangement of settlements and their market areas in a region? Question 4. What factors contribute to the development of a primate city in country's urban system, and what are the potential economic and social implications? Question 5. How can towns be functionally classified based on their economic activities, and what does this classification reveal about regional development patterns? Question 6. How is the sphere of influence of an urban area determined, and what factors can cause it to expand or contract over time? Question 7. What are the defining characteristics of rural urban fringe, and how does this zone differ from both rural and urban areas? Question 8. What purposes do satellite towns serve in metropolitan planning, and how do they contribute to decongestion of central cities? Question 9. How does rapid urbanization contribute to the proliferation of informal settlements, and what are the implications for urban governance? Question 10. How is the concept of a region defined in geography, and what criteria are used to delineate regional boundaries? Question 11. What are the different types of regions, formal, functional, and perceptual, and how do they differ in terms of characteristics and purposes? Question 12. How do growth centers and growth poles function as catalysts for regional economic development? Okay. Now come to section B. 6 question अछि ता भितरु any 5 आपन को करियार अछि 300 words पका बाकी आउ 20 marks आपन को each question. What factors contribute to regional imbalances in economic development, and how can these disparities be measured? Question 14. How does multi-level planning integrate various tiers of government in the planning processes, and what are its advantages? Question 15. How can regional planning incorporate principles of sustainable development to ensure long-term environmental, economic, and social well-being? Question 16. What are the key stages in Rostov's model of economic growth, and how does this model explain the development trajectory of nations? Question 17. What methods are employed in regionalization, and how do these methods facilitate effective regional planning? Question 18. In what ways does functional classification of towns assist in urban planning and policy making? Okay, so this is your test number 9. So I wish you all the best जो मैंने geography optional नहीं की preparation करचंती civil services ପାଇଁ.